In this video, we're going to review the top 5 most comfortable outdoor lounge chairs that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Kettler Roma Resin Chaise Lounge. The Kettler Roma Folding Lounge chair is a great backyard pick. It can be used in so many places, but I think it's a great poolside lounger. The white resin makes the chair durable and long-lasting against the weather. It is also crafted to sustain heavy impacts, having a factory weight limit of 270 pounds. If you like the stiff feel, choosing the Storagami cushion by Classic Accessories is a great pick. This thin light material folds up into a small-sized item, making outdoor cushions take up less space. With 6 colors available and 3 different sizes, it is very adaptable for many outdoor lounge chairs. Number 2. Devoko Patio Chaise Lounge Set. I like modern-style furniture, and having that elegant-looking sleek lounge chair surrounding your pool is nice. This Devoko Chaise Lounge set is the perfect balance of style and comfort. You have the slim design, but you aren't missing out on cushions. These 2 thin cushions really improve your comfort when laying in the sun. Another reason I like these is the lightweight to them. I know growing up with a pool in the backyard and you have to move the outdoor furniture around to avoid heavy winds and rainstorms is painful on the body. Trust me, it sucks when you are doing it in the storm, lol. So having lighter furniture makes the moving process that much easier and more enjoyable to own. Number 3. Timber Ridge Zero Gravity Patio Lounge Chair. The Timber Ridge Zero Gravity Patio Lounge Chair is the most cost-efficient chair on this list yet. It looks much more like your average lawn chair but is so much more. Also, it is extremely versatile. Place it at home or take it on any type of trip you can imagine. It folds up to a compactable packing size, perfect to bring in the car. We see it on simpletenting.com as one of the best camping chairs for bad backs. The chair supports up to 350 pounds, a sturdy steel tube frame and durable polyester fabric, and offers complete reclining. You will feel stable and safe while relaxing because of the curved ergonomic design, providing a zero-gravity experience. Number 4. Outdoor Resin Wicker Patio Recliner Chair. The Art 2 Real Patio Recliner is a different style of lounge chair we wanted to offer in this list. Having the option to sit up or kick back in your lounger is a feature like no other. Having the reclining leg support is a nice comfortable feature I am sure you can get on board with. Priced fairly, the powder-coated frame is sturdy and the cushions are super comfy. A high-density polyethylene resin wicker is UV resistant. Plus, the chair is designed for outdoor living and will hold up great in the outdoor environment. Number 5. Christopher Knight Home Adjustable Chaise Lounge Chair. These Christopher Knight Home Lounge chairs are great for lazy days outside, by the pool, or in any backyard. They are made with wicker, which feels great on bare skin and resists the sun's hot rays. Wicker is a weave made from a combination of different plants to make the fabric soft and smooth. The chairs are also long enough for a person well over 6 foot tall to enjoy comfortably as well. A nice bonus with the lounge chairs is they make for easy setup and storage, as there is no assembly required and they easily stack on top of each other for the winter months.